down in the dirt. Been real bad.
All right, this is an overview and an unboxing of the new Toro 60 volt max cordless string trimmer. This is just introduced. It's a part of the new FlexForce 60 volt line. The FlexForce line includes mowers, string trimmers, blowers, and snow throwers so far. So let's get started here a little bit. This new 60 volt max cordless string trimmer, you can get it two ways. You can get it either boxed with a battery and charger, or you can get the bare tool only. If you already have a mower and have the big batteries, these batteries will work on this string trimmer and the blower. Nice. Anyway, put that away for now. I bought this one from my local Toro dealer, Eau Claire Lawn Equipment. I was tired of waiting for it to come into stock at Home Depot, and he gave me the same price, so I'm quite happy with that. First thing you do is take the tape off a little bit here. Don't like too much. And I like to keep my knife short so I don't mess things up. And now let's get it open. Looks like the back end. This string trimmer is nice because it's a wide-ranging machine. It has a quick and easy line replacement to it. You can run either 080, 095 line, and you can use a 14 or 16 inch cutting width. For example, you can go with 14 inch 80 line and you have a good economy trimmer. Open the box. What do you get? You get manual, the trimmer, charger, and a battery. A couple other things to put together. So let's take it out of the box. It's pretty lightweight. It does have a clamp and a post with a pin so you get it in the right spot. There's the head up here. Little piece of tape holding the lines together. This is one of those nice heads where you just take 20 foot of line. For me, 20 foot is 4 arm lengths, get it right. 4 arm lengths, stick it in, and then just turn the knob and it winds it up automatically for you. Don't need to take the heads apart or anything like that. Oh, it's light. Feels like maybe 5 pounds. In here is a bag with the handle, and the guard. Nice small guard. This can be flipped back and forth, in for 14 inch, turn it around for 16 inch. It's cut edged on both ends so it cuts the line. Comes with an Allen key to put your little handle on. That's a nice handle, and it does have a nice grip to it. It's not a cushion grip, but it's a kind of a nice sticky grip, so it won't slide around in your hands if your hands are wet. What else did we say? The regular charger, and by regular I mean these charge up pretty fast. They're not as quick as the Ego, but I don't mind that because I like my batteries to last a long time, and if you charge them too fast, you're going to shorten the life on them. So this is they call it a quick charger, and it'll work just fine. Oh, there's an outlet behind me sticking me in the rear end. put the cover up. That's what the problem. Battery's in here pretty tight. Comes with a 2.5 amp battery, and I'm sure I'll have to charge it. Juice in it, maybe 20%. But I'll throw that on the charger before we go out and test it. Let's see right off the bat if it's going to run though. Put it on. Press the safety. Can you hear that? Is that quiet or what? It does have a high and low. That's 1. This is 2. So besides the complete variable trigger, it also had a speed selector for heavy duty use or just normal trimming every week. One of the first questions I had about this system is I wanted to make for sure that the batteries fit. So that's a 2.5 amp. This is the 7.5 amp. And the 7.5 amp is quite a bit heavier, but it's not too bad weight-wise. I'd say maybe 12 pounds total this way. And if you had to use this on a huge, large area, if you use this big battery, you could probably trim just about most of the day with it. We're going to give her some tests over the next month, see how it does. I'm not going to take the time here and put it together. I'm going to stop the videos. Then I'm going to come back and I'll go over just a few other more little details on it. So, be back in a few. Alright, I'm back. Didn't take long to put this together. Of course, I cheated and used my impact driver with an H4 Allen head instead of the mechanical one that they give you. But basically all you have to do is you tighten up this nut here, remove the 4 screws out of the handle, put it on, put the 4 screws in. I adjusted it so about 2 inches away from the coupling. That's going to work well for me. That way I can have my arm straight out while I'm trimming. It won't get in the way. The shield out here on the end. Shield out here on the end. 2 screws. Put it on. The screws are right in the head, so you don't have to go find them. I'm going to run it at 16 inches, and I'm also going to run the heavy line this year, just so I know how long the battery is going to hold up in this. So of course you're going to get a lot better use out of it if you keep it in the slower trimming speed and use the 14-inch and the light line. We'll see. I like the ability to be able to do it all in one machine without having to buy a separate machine if I want to do edging or anything like that. The cover is nice so that it'll be easy to trim with. It won't get in the way. And the battery is about 75% charged now. It was on there about 20 minutes starting to charge, so looks like it'll take about 30 minutes to fully charge it, maybe a little bit longer. So again, you can either have the cutting width at 14 or 16 inches. You can use the 080 line or the 095. 095 is nice if you got heavy weeds. You got a complete variable speed, or go almost as slow as you want it to. That's in low, that's plenty fast for most trimming. Flip it over to high for the heavy work. One of the reasons that I am going to enjoy this is it's got a good feel here. I can actually move it around with one hand if I needed to. I also like the battery system. One battery will run all of the equipment. You don't have to buy separate batteries for separate equipment. Plus, I think the two big things with this whole system this year for me is the fact that it has the good Toro Recycler mower as part of this package. It's the smart stow, metal housing. It's actually a regular Toro Recycler with an electric motor put on it. And the fact that I had a chance to demo the test unit of the snowblower, and I'll tell you what, the snowblower is going to blow away anything out there right now. So for a single stage snow thrower, it looks like that's the best way to go. So I'm still waiting on the blower. I'm going to buy a bare tool, or I'm buying a bare tool kit of the blower, since I already have enough batteries now, but they still haven't shipped the bare tools. So finally, I'm not going to go out and show you this today. I've had a chance to use it myself with the demo over to Eau Claire Lawn Equipment. It has plenty of power. You won't be disappointed with it. Over the next month or so, I am going to take and compare this to the Ego. I have an Ego carbon shaft here. We're going to do the DeWalt. I have a Troy-Bilt, and I have the top of the line steel model. What else I got? Also got another Toro. I got the Toro PowerPlex, and I think I got one other, but I can't think of the brand name right now. So maybe it's a Craftsman. I don't know. So anyway, if you've got any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you like what I'm doing this year, go ahead and subscribe. I hope to have quite a few more videos this year. We're going to spend some time using this stuff and showing you which one is the best one for you. Anything else? I'm done. Thank you. Bye.
Down in the dirt. Been real bad.